Heyo, welcome to Storycraft Studio. Today we're participating in a swap hosted by Scorpio Dollies over on Instagram. It's a mini-me straight swap between me and my partner, Awa Doll Customs. I hope I'm saying that right. Here's the doll she made for me. Let's see how I made her. Okay, quick confession. I was struggling with 2 other swaps and some bad anxiety, so a lot of the process wasn't recorded. However, what I do have covers the basics, and I'm including the unboxing of my mini-me to make up for it. Now, back on track. To start off with, we need a doll. I am painfully indecisive about a lot of things, so I decided to let the chat decide which one of these dolls I would use, and they chose Squirrel Girl. One of the cool things about Squirrel Girl is her double jointed legs. I don't like the color, but they're really cool. The arms are standard articulation. Now first off, we're gonna have to take off the head. And we'll just do that right now, and boom! Oh! Her hair came off too! Well, that makes things easier. Let's move that aside and get to work. With my handy dandy goof off, we're gonna take off the face. There she is. Now we're gonna go backwards in time and show you she's got a really hard head. So one of the first things I'm gonna do is root her hair using this yarn, a needle, and a hair dryer. Awa has pretty short hair, so I decided to try this looping method that I came up with to get as much as I could. First, I take one end of the hair, and after passing it through a needle eye, I pull it through. Because of the force needed, the needle often lets go. And then I knot it using this twisting method that I use for thread. Pull it through, and then using yarn, pass it through the eye of the needle again. Like the first end, I pass it through with the needle. Again, I'm going to need pliers, but before that, I try to put another piece of yarn in the loop so that I don't have to try and pull it out another way if it gets tight. Because this can be unpredictable how it happens after I've pulled it out with all that force. And I also sometimes just pull it tight to make it work. Then loop and pull it through. You'll also notice I had a curved needle. That's helpful for when you're doing the edges that are really close and it's hard to get a straight needle from the hole to the edge, but that's how I do it. And then at the end, I cut the loops and brush it all out. Makes it really effective, and you get this result once you've brushed and flat ironed. I'm really, really proud of all the color variation too. The face up, I didn't record because I was stressed, but I just go through the layers bit by bit. I was referencing this picture here of her from one of her cosplays. Great makeup and a great look for her. And I did not catch all of it, but I think I did pretty okay. She's just a beautiful gal, and I'm really glad I did this. Then for her shirt, I just made her this simple baseball tee to go with some leggings and some shoes I customized. And still just the shoes. But here she is all finished. Just some simple pictures in my yard before she went out with her little special necklace and her glasses. I think she's really cute, and I hope you all like her too. Now watch me spaz opening my own mini-me. So unlike usual swaps, I have an actual clue what it's gonna look like, which makes me super incredibly nervous. Oh my gosh, Awa! This is the mini version of me that she made for me, and I'm flipping out, and I'm gonna open it. Okay. Okay, funny thing is, she's gonna know I wrapped her doll in green tissue paper too. So, we made similar decisions. That's fun. Set. Oh, okay. No, can I see it? Oh, I can't see her yet. Okay. Oh, she made me good. She sent me goodies. I feel bad. I sent her a few goodies, but wow. I love you guys all sending so many goodies. Okay, first I'm gonna read this card off. So Awa sent me this adorable little postcard, and I haven't seen her, and I promise I'm gonna love her, Awa. Okay, let's start with these. These are cool. Liquid Monster High stickers. Those are cool. I've been putting stickers all over my sketchbooks recently, so these are going on sketchbooks. They are, and random places all over the place. And oh no. The tray is super cute, and that's gonna get a pride of place on my desk. Look at this! It's so cute! You made this, didn't you? Oh, it's amazing! It's so cute! I love it! Then, cute bags. I love these kind of bags. I have them all over the place. And there's the muffin washi tape. You've never met me to know how over the moon I am for these. Oh, I love washi tape, and I love Crazy for Disney. Oh, my Crazy for Disney. It's almost unhealthy. Okay, we're gonna move away before I admit something. And then these, oh my gosh, these little charms are so cute. These earrings? They're really cute. I don't have pierced ears, but I will find a way. These are adorable, and I love them. And even if I don't wear them, I will look at them with love. And then, oh no, you sent clothes. This is gonna just kill me, isn't it? It's my dress. It's my galaxy dress. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you made more than one outfit. Oh, you are spoiling me. You are too much, and I love you. Oh! Oh my gosh. So I sent her like several different outfits that I wear. Like, I sent her a lot of outfits. I wanted to make sure she had lots of things to choose from. I spent a day dressing up just for it. I was really excited for this swap. And these are dresses that I have. I have a galaxy dress and a black and white dress, and they're my favorite things to lounge around in. Shockingly, I'm not wearing one of them right now. But, oh, they're so cool. Oh, Ava, you're spoiling me. Okay, the big reveal. The big thing. And the box is gone. If I had crash sound effects, we would be using them. Okay, don't faint. Don't faint. I'm trying not to faint. I'm gonna faint. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, look at her! Oh my gosh, you made the boots! You made the boots! Wait, you customized the boots. Thank you. Boots. And then the jeans and oh, I love her. Look at her. In the postcard, she was worried that the hair would deflate, but it did a little. Thankfully, humidity is good for that. But, oh my gosh. That's me. That is me. I'm not gonna show my real face because I don't like, because I'm sweaty and gross right now, but that is me. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. I am prone to gushing, it seems, but look at all this. Look at all these wonderful things Awa sent me with my beautiful doll, and I'm trying not to cry, but I might cry. Thank you so much, Awa. Oh my gosh. I love her, and she's gonna look fabulous, and just, she's gonna, I don't even know. I don't know. I can't deal with this anymore. Mahalo for watching. I'm so glad I was finally able to give you guys another doll video. It's been so long. Oy. But yeah, make sure to like and subscribe and leave comments if you want me to do more doll stuff. It'll help motivate me, trust me. And I hope you enjoyed yourselves. Make sure to visit me at Storycraft Studio on Instagram and AWOL Doll Customs, which I will leave a link below to visit her because she made this gorgeous doll behind me. And I love her. She's awesome. So, yeah, again, mahalo for watching. I will see you guys soon. Aloha!